All right, well, it finally showed up. You can kind of see a better idea what I'm talking about. So this guy, little workbench, and then another shelf right there. That's right there. It's gonna go along the back wall, that little corner. I got something really fun to go right there in the meantime. I'm actually going to work right now in a minute, but this will be this evening's project when I get home. All right, and just like that, it's 9 hours later. I'm home from work. It's actually nice out tonight. It's not humid or hot. So we're gonna get to work getting these guys put together. I have no idea how involved this is, how much of it I actually gotta put together. Hopefully most of it's assembled. Probably not, you know how it goes. Most of these videos I see online, reviews of garage cabinetry, most of the time it's dented and messed up. Hopefully that's not the case here, but we'll see. I'm gonna throw it up on my tripod and do a time lapse. Tomorrow or next day is gonna be my little new office desk area right there, and then some more cabinets right there, and then maybe one or two more things for this video. And yeah, and then it'll be on to part 9. All right, everything's out of the box, everything is accounted for. My hardware, my 2 top shelves, my 2 bottom shelves, I guess, my little countertop, and my main cabinet. One little ding right there, not too bad, I can live with that. It is a garage after all. All right, I'm gonna read the instructions here and we'll start getting to work, putting the feet on, getting everything attached, and these little guys up where they need to go. All right, took about an hour and 20 minutes to get this together. Still a little bit I gotta do on my end. This one's a little crooked. Right here, it's about 1/8 of an inch off. It's gonna bother me, I need to fix that. I'll fix it off camera. So I only have one stud behind here. So right here, it's on a stud. The rest are these really high strength drywall anchors. But these are tied together inside, and once it's tied to that guy, I think I'll be okay. I'm not gonna put anything crazy heavy in there. Maybe total this 20, 25 pounds. I'm not too worried about that. Because I do have this weird flashing around my garage, it sticks out a little bit. I'm gonna put a piece of sheet metal right here, paint it dark gray, so it hits the back of the wall. And then this guy, I'll get a second countertop to put on top of this and just cut it to size to go to the back. I'll do it this weekend. That way I'll get a little more real estate too for my countertop, and actually more room so I can put a proper vise right here, which would be nice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my shelves in tonight, clean up a little bit. I'll bring the car in, show you how much room I have. I should have about 6 feet of room with the car in here. So more than enough. I got a really cool little Corvette stool my wife bought me a while ago, put back here as well. So I'm gonna get this guy tidied up and I'll show you how it looks cleaned up in here. All right, here's where we're at. Pretty clean up in here. Except for our little junkyard right here. This will be rectified next couple days. Yeah, these are pretty cool. They actually have felt at the bottom, like a rubber, which is nice. I didn't expect that. I think this is 1,200 bucks for this whole thing. Not great, not bad. The little worktop, it's not too bad, it's real wood. I have another almost foot I can back up still. So I'll have about 4.5 feet of walkway here. So Thursday, Friday, I'm doing another large cabinet right here. I might stack 2. Or get creative. Most of my stuff's gonna go in here against the wall. I might do a small one at the bottom, like a pedestal, and the one above it to be flush mount on the wall. We'll see. And then my little desk area right here for filming, and some editing will be going right there. And then video number 9 is gonna be all a bunch of little fun stuff I got planned to go in here, which I think you'll love. So I'm gonna go relax. I'm tired. It's a work day for me. It's late, and I'll catch you guys in a couple days to wrap up this video, but of course for you, it'll be instant. Yeah, I'll catch you guys Thursday. All right, here we are a couple days later. My setup is awesome. I use my little detail station a couple times washing cars. It is so freaking convenient. I love it. I'm losing my voice today, so bear with me. So obviously we got this guy situated the other day. Today we're gonna be doing another shelf right there for my towels and applicators. Let me turn you around real quick. We're gonna throw a sound bar right there, which actually costs almost as much as this cheap TV. The sound quality on this guy is terrible. Good picture, super cheap, I love it, smart TV, but the sound's terrible. So we're throwing a really nice Sony sound bar right there. And then all this junkyard is going away because my base cabinet and tall cabinet to the ceiling will be here in about an hour, and we'll be doing that guy. The desk won't be here till next week, so we'll do that with part 9, and then a bunch of other little fun things for part 9 to really tie it all together. And then again, part 10 will be the lift. Also, this little guy is so handy. It's fixed in place. It's just a little parking stopper thing, so I know exactly where to bring my C8 in and stop, so it gives me as much real estate as possible for over here. So very clever, and I love it. So I'm gonna throw in the tripod, I'll throw that guy up, sound bar, and then a time lapse of the cabinets going up. All right, quick and dirty, all my shelves are done now. I did have it the same height as the other ones, but it felt a little too high. I'm 5'11". Anyone else might be a little too high, so I brought it down about 5 inches. So I'm happy with that. It's pretty much squared away. A couple more little things I gotta add, but we'll do that another time. All right, on to the sound bar. Boom, just like that, soundbar. My only complaint is that there's 2 inputs, one for your HDMI and your optical on the left side, and then one on the right side for the power. So you gotta make 2 separate holes to go up to your TV or your media outlets or whatever. So that's kind of frustrating, but not too bad, 30 minutes, and it sounds so much better. I'd play a song or something, but I would get copyrighted. But take a word for it, this little Sony deal, I got it on Amazon. Really nice. All right, so both of these cabinets came in one small box. This is gonna be probably time consuming, probably more than that guy. I gotta put all of these things together, all 4 sides and the doors. So we'll do an extremely fast time lapse and yeah, get her done. It's gonna take a while, so enjoy. All right, that wasn't too bad at all, actually. Probably 35 minutes. Now, here's the thing. This was supposed to ship in the same box with a little pedestal that's about 3 feet tall, and it was supposed to go from right there all the way to the ceiling. So that part is missing. So I need to get with Amazon, hopefully get the pedestal in the next couple days. It is what it is. It sucks. And I really want to start getting stuff put away, but I can't put stuff in here until the pedestal is here. I don't want to try to, pick it up on top of it. It's frustrating. But tonight, I'll clean up a little bit, get it in position where it's gonna be. Oh, it's just frustrating. But there is one more thing tonight. Once you get picked up, we're gonna put some blinds on that door window. So I'll get this tidied up a little bit, and then we'll do that, and then I'll wrap up video number... Actually, no, it won't wrap it up. I'm gonna wait for this pedestal to come in. So yeah, this video might not come out till like Wednesday, which sucks, but it is what it is. So let's get this place cleaned up a little bit. All right, so here's kind of the position where it's gonna go. It's so frustrating. I wanted to get all my toolboxes and backyard filled up tonight, and it is what it is. But anyways, pedestal, it's about 2.5 feet tall, a little wider than this guy. So this will fit flush mount against the wall. Yeah, and the idea is the bottom is gonna be all of my oil changing stuff, hazmat, hydraulic fluid, stuff like that. It's gonna go down there, keep that away from everything else. Up here is gonna be all my power tools and miscellaneous tools and tool kits, etc. Running a power outlet behind it to charge all my batteries too, that's the idea. Also, so this thing, both is gonna be very plain, and I wanna get stickers all over this thing, especially the sides, maybe the front, we'll see. I need to get a P.O. box, and I know a while ago YouTubers used to do like mail calls and stuff. I need to get a P.O. box. If you want to send me like a sticker of your company, something offensive, of a band, car related, boobies, I don't care. I'll stick it on there so you can always see your sticker on my videos. Just an idea I'm having. If people are curious about doing that, just send me random stuff. I can give you a plug to your company and throw your sticker on my cabinet. All right, what we're doing now is we're putting this guy. These are really cool. I have these inside on my full-size doors. This is a half door, and it's just pretty much blinds that go over top and just slip right over, and they work just like blinds, but they're encased in glass. You'll see when I do it. It's really, really freaking cool. So I'm gonna throw this up. Lastly, tonight, my little Stingray thing my wife bought me, which is so cool. She probably want to have my C7, but it's still applicable to my C8, and I think I'm gonna put it up there tonight. First piece of artwork I'm gonna throw up in this guy in video number 8. And then once that's up, once the pedestal's in, we can go ahead and close out video 8, and video 9 is gonna wrap everything up. You're gonna love it. All right, so I'm gonna shut up, put you on my stand, and we're gonna get to work. Quick and dirty. Now I got privacy in here. These are really cool, by the way. And then you can bring them up too if you want to over here. It's pretty cool. Yeah, these are like $100 at Lowe's. Not too bad. All right, I'm gonna throw up my Stingray and call it a night. Boom, I like that, that's pretty cool. I got a lot more fun artwork coming for the next video and other little things you wouldn't think about. All right, that's it for me tonight. Hopefully I'll see you guys tomorrow, Monday, to get this part 8 wrapped up, to get into a really fun video, which will be part 9. All right, good night, guys. All right, the bottom piece of my large cabinet finally showed up. Let's get this guy together, get this, video 8 closed out. Do a quick little time lapse and see how she fits. It's gonna be close, but we should be okay. I get all my crap in there finally. This, all this up in the backyard. And then finally I can start working on video number 9, which is gonna be a lot of fun. So, all right, let me shut up. Oh my God, it's like 140 degrees in here, it's hot. I open up the garage door, I get bugs in here, so it's one or the other. In any case, so they're both together. There is a catch though, very easy to put together. But with both of them stacked, I was off by about 1/8 of an inch my calculation. So I measured somewhere else in the garage from there, not the exact spot, so my mistake. This floor is not perfectly flat. So I had to get creative. I'll show you what I mean. I got it up there just how I want. It's perfect. It is bolted to the wall, so it's not gonna fall or go anywhere. But the bottom pedestal, you'll notice it's on its side. Right side up, there's no way. I'd have to cut a hole in my ceiling, and it was driving me insane. I actually got 2 of my honeycombs. I got to do this way now instead of this way, but that's not a big deal. So, but I was thinking, so you have this over here, which just kind of sucks, but I'm gonna have a desk that comes out a little bit right here, like an L, so no one's gonna see that. And all of my gross oil stuff's gonna go in there anyways. I don't need shelves in it. So I can live with this. You put the key in it and it locks itself, so not that much of a deal breaker. I still have all my storage, and I'm happy. I should be able to fit everything in here, and I have a satellite shed in my backyard, so should be good to go. All right, so that's gonna wrap up video 8. And the next one's gonna be awesome. It's gonna all come together, all the fun little goodies and stuff. So looking forward to it. I'm starting that tomorrow. I have all the stuff in my house to put out here, all the fun stuff, you know. So I'll see you guys for part 9, probably next weekend, probably about 5 or 6 days from now. So, all right, I'm gonna edit this, get out to you guys. I'll see you guys in a few days. Mark out.